Hi friends, ready to go on a fun adventure? Today we're exploring a magical place, your home. It's where you eat, sleep, and play. But wait, what makes a home so special? Let's find out together. Every home is full of special rooms. The living room is where families laugh and relax. The kitchen? That's where delicious meals are made. And don't forget your bedroom, your cozy little kingdom. What's your favorite room at home? Homes aren't just buildings, they're full of life. You can read books, play games, or spend time with the people you love. Even chores like watering plants can be fun. Homes make us feel safe and happy every single day. Did you know you make your home special? It's your drawings on the fridge and your laughter that turn a house into a home. So give your home a big thank you for being your awesome place to grow and explore. Now it's your turn. Look around, find your favorite spot, and share what makes your home amazing. Don't forget to thank your family for helping make it so cozy and fun. Hit like and share this video with your friends to celebrate your happy homes together.